Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tidying up around my house after work. We just got home. I rarely get home when it's daylight outside, so I decided to let the girls jump, and while I did, I just decided to clean this table off. But let me tell you, I used some all-purpose cleaner and it did not do the job, so I need something that will clean off this table. When I got done, this napkin was completely black. You can probably see it in the video right here. Usually when we get home in the evening, there's not a whole lot to do because we don't leave any dishes in the sink overnight. So anything that I have to wash or Aubrey washes is usually just left in the morning, maybe if Alex cooks something. But usually he'll wash those dishes too, so there's usually not much. Right now I'm washing my dishes with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent basil. I have used basil in the past and I love it because it is a super fresh scent. And you will not believe it, but my favorite thing to even do with this dish soap by Mrs. Meyer's is to clean out my sink, just because it smells so good and it leaves the scent lingering all day. So I'm actually partnering today with Grove Collaborative on this video, and I'm really excited to let you guys know that Grove Collaborative is giving my subscribers this 4-piece set for free if you are a new customer. If you are a returning customer to Grove, you can also still get the walnut scrubber sponges for free as well. I highly recommend Grove Collaborative. I buy a majority of my cleaning products from them, and I will leave all of the information down in the description box below where you can get your free stuff. And I like the basil scent, but there's a lot of other scents that they carry as well. I think they still have some of their spring scents, and you can pick whichever ones you want. So don't forget to check them out in the description box before you leave. Now I'm just going ahead and getting some laundry done. This is me and Alex's regular clothes and my work clothes. We didn't get these done over the weekend, so I'm going ahead and doing it now. I'm using Suavitel, some of these Unstoppables, and my Gain laundry detergent. I know I use it all, but it makes it smell so good and I love it. So right here I'm just cleaning off the counters. I usually do this first, but I was really procrastinating because I was super lazy and tired. I had just got off work and I wasn't feeling it.
You're looking like a movie star, but I know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister.
So if you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, you can see that I'm cleaning off my counters with Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, what is wrong with her? And you will see why in just a minute. So I wanted to jump on here real quick and let you know what I thought of using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner on my counters. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I do not use anything but the Method Granite Cleaner. I did just use the Method All-Purpose Cleaner just because I wanted to see if there was really a difference. And let me tell you, there was. Remember a few months back, if you've been watching, you know that I was talking about how I didn't really like using the Pledge on my granite because it would leave a sticky residue, and anything else that I used would leave a sticky residue. Well, here I am again trying to experiment when I said I never would. Still same brand, but I just want to let you guys know that yes, that also left a sticky residue, so I'm just going to stick to my Method Granite Cleaner. Here I'm just going ahead and straightening up the living room. It drives me insane to go to bed like this. And also I'm just going to vacuum around the house a little bit. There is some spots that need vacuumed. I usually vacuum every day anyway if I'm feeling it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the description box below and get your free Grove set when you leave. And also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!